When you make your GAN systems, you put a nano-coated copper and you put a zinc plate. This, remember, as you did, is your nano-coating, or what with black, which you like it more. When you put your water in the salt water, if you use what most of you are doing is you connecting these two together, and then you collect. I was discussing this with Armand today, I think, just this lunchtime. You collect what we call CO2 at the bottom. What you collect is gases of CO2 at the bottom. When they do the test, they see different gases of zinc oxides too. What it means, here you produce a mixture of the two. To get a consistent CO2 production, this is wrong. And a lot of you do it. To produce a consistent, complete maximum CO2, you need to add a load here. I was just explaining lunchtime. You need to put here something like LED light, something like a fan from a cooling system of a computer. It might not run. The light might not come on, or it might be on for a few hours and then it disappears. But it controls the current flow at the CO2 level. When you have a high current across, you are creating gases of zinc. Because now you create a current somewhere around 0.5 amp and something like 1 volt. So partially you're creating zinc oxide gas, partially you're creating CO2 if the environment in this area allows the production of the gravitational magnetic field of CO2. And then when the scientists do a test on this residual, they tell you to only see zinc oxide. And but tell them, okay, you see a chemical zinc oxide, you're looking for matter. This is what we were discussing lunchtime. You're looking for a matter state. In plasma technology, you're looking for effect, which means you ask them to do a Raman spectroscopy. Then you see the behavior of superconductors. So you got to realize what you're doing and what current flow you're releasing in the system. If you create the right gap, the right distance between the two plates, and you leave your two plates outside, you still will collect CO2 without any zinc in it.